Right now, someone could be spying on everything you do on your phone. They can read your messages, listen through your microphone, watch you through your camera, even see your private, encrypted chats. And the scariest part? You didn't download anything. You didn't open any link. All they needed was a missed call. That's how powerful Pegasus spyware is. And once it's in, your phone is no longer yours. So, what exactly is Pegasus? It is an extremely sophisticated piece of surveillance software, more commonly known as spyware. It is developed and sold by a private Israeli company named NSO Group. They market Pegasus as a tool for governments to target serious criminals, to help law enforcement track terrorists. This is the official justification for its existence. Who are the primary users of Pegasus spyware? NSO Group states it sells exclusively to governments, state intelligence agencies and law enforcement bodies. However, this is precisely where significant concerns arise. The potential for misuse of such a potent tool is immense. It can be and has been turned against unintended targets, activists striving for social change, journalists working to expose uncomfortable truths, political opponents challenging incumbent regimes. Powerful surveillance technology demands rigorous oversight. Unfortunately, such oversight is often conspicuously absent. This commercialization fundamentally alters the global landscape. State surveillance capabilities are amplified. The privacy of individuals is correspondingly diminished. The most insidious forms of cyber attacks are zero-click exploits. These are the methods favored by tools like Pegasus. They are so dangerous because they require no action from the victim. Your device can be compromised without your knowledge. The infection happens silently, invisibly. You could be reading a book or sleeping. Your phone, your trusted companion, betrayed. A missed call can be the key for Pegasus. A simple, unanswered call, often from an unknown number. This was a documented method for delivering the spyware. The call might not even appear in your call history. It is a ghost call, a fleeting digital touch. But in that moment, the malicious code can be injected. The spyware installs itself deep within the device, a stealthy intruder, now with full access. Pegasus exploits vulnerabilities or flaws hidden in software. These flaws can exist in the phone's operating system, or they can be found in popular applications we use daily, apps like WhatsApp, Apple's iMessage, or FaceTime. NSO Group dedicates significant resources to discovering or acquiring these exploits. This mechanism induces a profound sense of helplessness. The rules of digital defense have been rewritten. Section 4. Inside your pocket. Pegasus's unfettered access. Once Pegasus spyware is successfully installed, its power is near absolute. It gains complete control over the compromised device. This is not about accessing a few specific files, it is about total, persistent surveillance. Your smartphone is transformed. It becomes a 24/7 monitoring device. A spy in your pocket, in your home, in your life. It operates silently, controlled remotely by the attackers. Every function of the phone can be turned against its owner. It can read your encrypted messages sent via Signal, WhatsApp, Telegram. None are safe. It can access your emails, your call logs, your contact lists. Your personal photographs and videos are open for viewing. It can meticulously track your physical location in real time, using the phone's GPS and other location services, your movements, your meetings, your entire pattern of life. All this information is exfiltrated to the attackers. Pegasus can remotely and covertly activate the phone's microphone. It can listen to your private conversations. It can also secretly activate the phone's camera. Pegasus is engineered for stealth and persistence. It is designed to operate without leaving obvious traces. Section 5. The Spy's Toolkit. Known exploits and methods. The vulnerabilities exploited by Pegasus are often highly valuable. Many are zero-day exploits. This term means the flaw is unknown to the software vendor. Therefore, no patch or fix exists when Pegasus first uses it. This makes attacks incredibly potent and difficult to defend against. By the time the vendor learns of the flaw and issues a fix, many targets may have already been compromised. NSO Group is in the business of finding or buying these 0 days. It gives them a crucial window of opportunity. Specific examples of these exploits have come to light. Researchers have documented various attack vectors. Apple's iMessage platform was a significant target. A sophisticated zero-click exploit chain codenamed Forced Entry. It allowed Pegasus to be installed on iPhones without any user interaction. Vulnerabilities in WhatsApp's voice over IP calling feature. These have also been reportedly used to deliver the spyware. Pegasus targets the very communication apps people trust. NSO Group invests enormous resources in this area. They maintain a team of highly skilled researchers. Their sole focus is to discover new vulnerabilities. This is a continuous, high-stakes technological arms race. Section 6. The human cost, real victims, global reach. The threat of Pegasus is not merely theoretical or technical. It has a profound and devastating human impact. Real people, with lives, families, and careers, are targeted. The list of known and suspected victims is alarming. It includes journalists attempting to report inconvenient truths, human rights defenders working to protect the vulnerable, lawyers advocating for their clients against powerful interests, opposition politicians and pro-democracy activists, academics whose research challenges official narratives. These are the individuals often found in Pegasus's crosshairs. The use of Pegasus has been documented in numerous countries across continents, from democracies to authoritarian regimes. Its deployment has a tangible, chilling effect on freedom. It allows governments to monitor and disrupt opposition movements. It enables the intimidation and harassment of critics. Brave individuals who expose wrongdoing face immense personal risk. Their work is essential for transparent and accountable governance. Yet they become targets of the very tools meant for criminals. This fundamentally undermines democratic principles. Consider the psychological toll on those who are targeted. The damage extends beyond data. It damages human dignity. Section 7. Reclaiming our digital selves. Vigilance in the age of surveillance. Is it possible to achieve perfect protection against tools like Pegasus? When facing the resources of a determined state actor, it is incredibly difficult. We must be realistic about the capabilities we are up against. However, despair and surrender are not viable options. There are still crucial steps individuals can take. These actions can help to reduce their risk profile. They can make targeting more difficult or costly for attackers. We must actively work to reclaim our digital selves. Our privacy is worth defending, fiercely. Basic digital hygiene remains fundamentally important. Keep your device's operating system and all applications updated. Software updates often include patches for known vulnerabilities. Use strong, unique passwords for all your accounts. Enable two-factor authentication wherever possible. Be cautious with unsolicited links and attachments, despite zero clicks. Continue to use end-to-end encrypted communication tools, but understand their limitations if the device itself is compromised. These are foundational layers of defense. For individuals at higher risk of targeted surveillance, additional measures may be warranted. Regularly rebooting your phone can sometimes disrupt certain types of malware, though sophisticated spyware like Pegasus may persist. Ultimately, the most powerful defense is vigilance and awareness. Privacy is not a privilege, it is a fundamental human right.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to stay ahead in cybersecurity. Check out more videos here to keep your knowledge sharp.